Marianna Ventura appears to refer to the teenage daughter of Priscilla Ventura, a prominent Canadian TikTok and Instagram influencer known for her fitness, fashion, and family content. Her younger brother Ezekiel Mason Ventura and sister Madison Everly Ventura family posts often show the siblings collaborating on fun challenges, dances, and holiday vlogs, portraying a close-knit dynamic. Marianna's cameos emphasize authenticity, think casual selfies, dance trends, and behind-the-scenes family moments. She is often styled in trendy athleisure or casual outfits aligning with Priscilla's brand. At her young age, Marianna's career is informal, centered on family collaborations rather than solo endorsements. Priscilla has hinted in interviews and posts that her children, including Marianna, inspire her content and may pursue creative paths like modeling or vlogging in the future. From post, Marianna enjoys dance, school activities, and family travels. Priscilla describes her as creative and kind-hearted, often sharing stories of Marianna's involvement in charity drives or school events. She frequently features in her mother's post as part of the family's wholesome, relatable lifestyle band. Priscilla's content often highlights family life, which has indirectly spotlighted Marianna as a young social media personality in the making.